everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be making a simple vegetable rice, stir-fried vegetable rice. This is going to be vegan based, no meat, no fish. It's all about vegetables, okay? The vegetable I will be using here, you can add more vegetable to your own, or you can remove some of the vegetable I add and add the one you want. So it's just a simple recipe and I hope you enjoy watching it. Now let's get to the cooking. So guys, the ingredient I have here is I'm going to be using just a little bit of this is celery, just a little bit of it, not all of this, just a pinch of it, okay? So here I have my cauliflower, I have some bell pepper here, just a little bit, green beans, mushroom, broccoli, carrots, and here is sweet corn. I have some salt in here. I have vegetable oil here. I have onion here. You basically can use any vegetable of your choice, okay? You don't have to use what I'm using here. You can even add peas. You can also add peas if you want to, okay? And here I have the seasoning I'm going to be using are some rosemary, curry, a little bit of ginger, which is optional, okay? You can use dry garlic instead of ginger. Ginger is optional. I'm using this conjo seasoning and a little bit of thyme. So this is stir-fried rice, a vegetable stir-fried rice, no meat, no fish, okay? So yeah, let's get to the cooking. And also, before I move ahead, the rice is already cooking, so you just have to parboil. So this is the rice here. The rice is almost cooked. On my pan here, I added vegetable oil inside, so I'm going to allow the vegetable to heat up a little before adding the onion and the vegetables. So guys, the oil is hot, so I'm going to throw in the onion. While the onion is cooking, I'm going to add my seasoning. The seasoning I'm using just a pinch of each of the seasoning. You can add more if you love adding a lot of seasoning into your food. The first one I added was thyme, a little bit of rosemary, and about half a teaspoon of this Cajun, I think that is what it's called, seasoning. About half a teaspoon. You can add more if you want. Adding a little bit of curry. Everything is just like a pinch of all the seasoning. Like I said, you can add more or less. So I'm going to quickly stir everything. I don't want the onions to cook down. I don't want the onion to cook too much before adding the vegetables, so I'm going to throw in the vegetable right away. So now I'm going to add all the vegetables together, okay? Because here I have just this vegetable, so I'm going to be adding them together. Stir everything. The aroma that is coming out of this food, my God, guys, so good. So give everything a quick stir, and now I'm going to season them with salt and black pepper. You can add fresh Scotch bonnet pepper into it if you like spicy food, but I'm not going to be adding that. I'm going to be using black pepper. So here I'm seasoning. Just add more or less, depend on how you want to salt your food. So a little bit of black pepper to wake up that vegetable flavors. So after adding all the seasoning, I'm going to put the heat on a medium heat and allow this to cook down for like 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, vegetables are almost cooked. So I'm going to be adding my corn. If I'm to use peas, this is the time I'm also going to be adding them. So yes, just give that a quick stir and allow them. I'm going to allow them to stay for 2 minutes. Then I will add the rice, the cooked rice, into the vegetable because the vegetables are fully cooked. So guys, this is after 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetables are ready, so I'm going to be adding the rice inside the vegetable. So I'm going to give this a quick stir. It seems the rice I added was too much, but anyhow, I'm not going to be consuming this all at once. The rice is cooked and they taste so delicious. I don't know why, but they are delicious, guys. So guys, our rice is cooked, as you can see. Please, if you are on diet, I'm not on diet. I just wanted to eat more of vegetable instead of meat and fish. Okay, if you're on diet, go ahead and use less rice, please. So guys, this is the final result. Time to test this food, okay? And yeah. So guys, the rice is cooked. Here we go. Like I said before, if you are going on, like if you are on diet and you want to try this food, make sure you put less rice, okay? I didn't even realize that the rice was mashed this way. So eat more of vegetable, but trust me, anyhow, whether the rice is too much or the rice is less, this food tastes so good. You wouldn't even realize that there is nothing like meat or fish inside this. This is pure vegan recipe and I hope you give it a try. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.